With your Presto Electric Pressure Cooker Plus, you'll discover how fast and easy it is to prepare a wide variety of delicious meals. There are 12 preset cooking programs for the most popular foods, or you can program the cooker yourself. Choose from a variety of cooking methods: pressure cooking, slow cooking, browning, sautéing, even keep warm. You select the desired program and cooking time, and the cooker automatically does the rest. Before using the cooker for the first time, follow the instructions for disassembling the unit found in the cleaning section of the instruction book, and watch the How to Clean video. Become familiar with the various parts and clean the cooker. Be sure to also read the important information for every use section of the instruction book before you begin. You're ready to start cooking. We're going to make the pork chops with red cabbage and apples recipe from the meat and poultry recipes section of the instruction book. Begin by assembling the ingredients. This recipe calls for browning the meat. You can do that in your Presto cooker. First, make sure the removable cooking pot is in place. Next, plug the cooker in. You'll hear one beep and 4 red dashes will appear on the display. Each button contains 2 settings. Press a button once for the top setting, brown in this case, or twice for the bottom setting, sauté, and the corresponding light will go on. Because we want to brown the meat, we'll press the button again so brown is selected, and let the cooker preheat. The left digit in the display will scroll to show the unit is on and heating. Add bacon and fry until crisp. Remove the bacon, leaving the drippings in the pot. Brown the pork chops on both sides. When browning is complete, press the Cancel button once. That enables you to select another cooking function. If the recipe calls for using the cooking rack, you would place it into the pot. Our pork chop recipe does not use the rack. Whisk together water, vinegar, brown sugar, mustard, and caraway seeds in a small bowl and pour into the pot. Return bacon to the cooker and add cabbage, apple, and onion. Put the cover on the cooker body, aligning the Install Remove vertical mark within the mark on the cooker body. Rotate the cover clockwise until it stops. The cooker is completely closed when the locked vertical mark is within the mark on the cooker body. Then, place the quick pressure release valve onto the vent pipe and point the lever to the cook position. On the control panel, press the Meat button once. The indicator light by chop rib will go on, and the default time of 25 minutes will appear on the display. Since our pork chops will cook very quickly, we need to adjust the time to 8 minutes. Press the minus button on the control panel until you reach 8 minutes. Once you have set the food and time, you don't need to do anything else until the pork chops are done. Here's what's happening. The electric pressure cooker begins to heat. As pressure builds, the blue air vent cover lock will slide up. Once the unit reaches pressure, the timer will start to count down. The left digit will continue to scroll. When cooking time is complete, the unit will beep and automatically switch to keep warm mode. Some recipes need the pressure to drop slowly by itself. This one calls for the quick pressure release method. Press the Cancel button and move the valve lever to the steam out position. Pressure is completely reduced when the blue air vent cover lock has dropped. If you're not ready to eat, press the Keep Warm button. The Keep Warm light will turn on and 4 scrolling dashes will appear on the display, telling you that your Presto cooker is keeping your meal piping hot. When you're ready to serve, remove the cover by slowly rotating it counterclockwise until the Install Remove vertical mark is within the mark on the cooker body. Lift the cover straight up, and while still holding the cover over the cooker, angle it 90 degrees so residual liquid drips into the pot. Place the cover upside down on the counter. Serve the food and enjoy. You'll save time, save money, and cook fantastic meals. Just set, and the rest is automatic with the Presto Electric Pressure Cooker Plus.